Hey guys, it's Keana. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just gonna be a kind of what I eat in a week breakfast edition. Just showing you some meal inspiration, some food ideas, breakfast ideas. I love making these videos and I love sharing, meal ideas that are plant-based and vegan. If you're interested in any of that, then keep on watching. And as always, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It will mean so much to me. And also don't forget to subscribe for more videos from me. With that being said, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm thinking chia pudding for today's breakfast. I'm gonna make a little chia pudding bowl. So this is my chia pudding that's all ready. I prepped it last night just by combining 3 or 4 tablespoons of chia seeds with a cup of almond milk and a little bit of maple syrup and cinnamon. And then I just let it sit in the fridge overnight, and now it's pretty much ready to eat. So I'm gonna assemble this bowl, and I'm thinking some fresh blueberries, almond butter, and this granola, chocolate granola. Got it from Trader Joe's. Good morning. So today I'm going to make some vegan and gluten-free waffles. So I'm just going to blend about half a cup of oat flour with a little bit of baking powder, about a 1/4 teaspoon. About a tablespoon of vanilla protein, cinnamon, and this is just some vegan buttermilk, which I made by just mixing almond milk with about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then I have 1 flax egg here. Add about a teaspoon, maybe 2 of maple syrup, or you could add like a mashed banana. I'm gonna blend this up, and that's gonna be the batter for the waffles. For this day, I made a tofu scramble, and to make the tofu scramble, I just put some extra firm tofu in a pan with a little bit of olive oil or butter and season that with turmeric, garlic powder, paprika, nutritional yeast, salt and pepper, and a little bit of oat milk. And then I just had a piece of sourdough, put some avocado on there, a little salt, and then loaded that up with the tofu scramble, and then topped it off with some sriracha. So for breakfast this day, I had a slice of this banana bread that I baked If you're interested in the recipe, I'll have it down below, and it's also on my Instagram. So for breakfast today, I'm making French toast. So yeah, the full recipe is on my Instagram, but this batter is just some almond milk, cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla, plant-based protein powder, and ground flaxseed. So this has been like in the fridge thickening for like 24 hours. So I'm just gonna put it in like a shallow bowl. Dip in the batter. Alright, so I like to top her with some frozen berries. The frozen berries, like with the heat of the French toast, almost turn into like a jam when you start eating it, and it's so good. Then some of this almond butter. And then, of course, some maple syrup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments, and by giving this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.